you talking to me? You talking to me? You do not want to see me. You want to tussle? I don't think you do. Hey, I just want to say, you're super cool. You're super cool. You're super cool. Cruel? I meant cool, y'all, not cruel. I'm crazy. Crazy. You crazy? You call me crazy? Where's my chicken wings? Where are my chicken wings? I ordered them. What? 2 minutes ago. I called you. Yeah, you sitting right there. I called you. I said, hi, where are my chicken wings? You said, okay, I will bring them to you. I hung up the phone, waited. Guess what? No chicken wings. No chicken wings. Now, I'm gonna get you. You be mad like me if you didn't get your chicken wings time that you called and they said, oh, okay, I'll bring in your chicken wings. But no chicken wings. Bad service. Jeez. Gets on my nerves. People. Do you know how to run your jobs? I mean, This is irresponsible. Well, I'll be waiting for my chicken wings.